His badge was forged in the dangerous jungle. Welcome to Broken English on Fluent American, where we look at one sound and study how to pronounce it by looking at spelling, word pairs, and practice sentences. My name is Jeff, and today we're taking a look at the j sound. J, like in judge. Judge. To pronounce the j sound, you will move the tip of your tongue towards the top of your mouth, around where your top tooth meets your gum, a little bit higher towards your ridge. J, j. Also, make sure that your throat vibrates. You should feel movement right here for that j sound. This is especially important at the end of words. Let's now take a look at some practice words with this j sound. We're going to look at different positions, starting with initial position. Judge, judge, joke, joke, juice, juice, jail, jail, job, job. The judge jailed jokesters in juicy jails. The judge jailed jokesters in juicy jails. Adjust, adjust. Injustice, injustice. Disjointed, disjointed. Engine, engine. Major, major. Budget, budget. Major budget adjustments led to the injustice. Major budget adjustments led to the injustice. Fudge, fudge. Forge, forge. Siege, siege. Nudge, nudge. Hedge, hedge. At what age can I forge my first fudge badge? At what age can I forge my first fudge badge? We're going to compare j with a couple sounds, starting with the j sound. J, like in pleasure, pleasure. Compare that to the j sound, like pledge, pledge. So instead of a j, where the front of your tongue is much lower, you want the tip of your tongue higher to make that j sound. J. Let's take a look at some minimal pairs. Pledge, pleasure, pledge, pleasure. Roger, garage, Roger, garage. Lodge, collage, lodge, collage. Fudge, fusion, fudge, fusion. Ledge, leisure, ledge, leisure. For his leisure, Roger measured the collages on the ledges of his garage. For his leisure, Roger measured the collages on the ledges of his garage. Another point of confusion can be the j of major and the y of mayor. Let's compare these words. Major, mayor, major, mayor. Jet, yet, jet, yet. Juice, use, juice, use. Jam, yam, jam, yam. A major mayor yelled at the jeering all year. A major mayor yelled at the jeering all year. A last point of confusion can be the j sound of judge and the z sound of buzz. Let's take a look at these two sounds more closely. budge, buzz, budge, buzz, rage, raise, rage, raise. The jean-zine's budget was seized in a rage. The jean-zine's budget was seized in a rage. Drinking juice in June is a job I enjoy. Enjoy. A job I enjoy. Juice. Drinking juice in June is a job I enjoy. Second sentence. Adjust the hedges if they nudge your jeans. Adjust your hedges if they nudge your jeans. Jeans. Hedges. Adjust. Nudge. Adjust the hedges if they nudge your jeans. Third sentence. Don't joke about jail with juvenile juniors. Juniors. Juvenile juniors. Don't joke. Don't joke about jail. Don't joke about jail, juvenile juniors. Last sentence. His badge was forged in the dangerous jungle. Jungle. Dangerous jungle. Badge. Badge was forged. His badge was forged in the dangerous jungle. That concludes our time today looking at the j sound. For more information on this and other sounds, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our webpage at fluentamerican.com. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time today. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.